Pun put his socks underneath his Tyvek under his sleep pad last night on top of the wood. You can see it did take some of the moisture out. I hope mine looks like that when I take them out. Yesterday it was wet and cold and rainy all day. But look at today. Beautiful. And my stuff's dryish. Hey, Jeff.
Hi.
It's delightful. It's nice, right? Could be a little warmer, but it's still real nice out here.
Better than a blaze.
Across tons of these little things on the Coosa. So pretty. Now that the sun's out. Lovely. It's like an obstacle course out here. West Trailhead on the Coosa. It's been a bit of a climb. It's a good warm-up for the mountains. Yeah. Getting a Flag Mountain. What is this, Pun?
This is CCC Camp Road. There's not going to be a store, I doubt it.
Nope. Last turn of the Alabama road walk there. Flag Mountain. Woohoo! Maybe on the top we take a break? It looks sunny up there.
Yeah, anywhere off the road. Yeah. And our shady place goes just through the trees. Oh, there it is. I see it. Right in the middle. Cool.
Yep.
The cell tower and the water tower.
About to start the Pinhoti Trail. Sweet. Apparently we're walking to the exact spot where the trail begins. Not just the sign, even though we already walked past the spot. This is cool. Little map of the Pinhoti, Trail of the Ancients. And then on the other side, the ECT.
Advertisement. No.
Which is pretty rad.
Where did you...
Oh, our first Pinhoti sign. I'm so excited. Ooh.
Want a picture?
We're off. I mean, kinda. This is the most we've had, yeah?
Compared to what? Ever.
The most we've had ever. It's
Compared
true.
to Florida, you know?
It's true.
Very little.
Man, it's beautiful. Nimble Will's place. That was cool. Flag Mountain CCC cabins.
You do not carry sunglasses, or you do? I have.
Walking into the Pinhoti Outdoor Center today, but first, there's a little store. I didn't really judge my snacks well, and I had all these yogurts and stuff, but they were really heavy, so I had to do those first. I went a little crazy, but now I have like 2 snacks left for the day. Punt gave me a bar this morning, thank goodness, and we're hiking along all this. Pinhoti. Good stuff.
I got hot. Yeah.
I had to take my jacket off too. There's Flag Mountain. Kind of just see it. The Daiichi Life Trail. Probably not how you say it. Celebrating the natural beauty of Alabama and the people of Protective Life Corporation.
Doors are protecting. This is exactly the time that this bench was
That's
made.
cool. 430 acres. That's pretty sweet. Beautiful. Hey, Jeff.
Hey, how are you?
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
The sun is shining, the birds are chirping. It's a beautiful day on the Pinhoti. Isn't it, Pine?
Yes, it is.
Caperton's in Weagufka. I'm gonna get so many snacks. Oh no. What day is it? It's only Friday. No. Caperton's, it's closed. No. Don't steal, the government hates competition.